To import an XRP paper wallet in 2025, you will need to follow these steps. First, ensure you have a secure computer and internet connection. It is recommended to use a trusted wallet provider such as Ledger or MetaMask. Start by accessing your chosen wallet provider and create an account if you do not already have one. Navigate to the Import Wallet section and select the option to import a paper wallet. You will be prompted to enter your paper wallet details, including the secret key and address. Carefully enter the details from your paper wallet, making sure not to make any mistakes. It is crucial to keep your secret key safe and secure, as it grants access to your funds. If you are using a Ledger wallet, you may need to use the Ledger Live software to import your paper wallet. Once you have entered your details, confirm the import and wait for the wallet to sync. This may take a few minutes, depending on the speed of your internet connection. After the wallet has synced, you will be able to view your XRP balance and manage your funds. It is essential to note that importing a paper wallet makes it live, meaning it can be accessed and managed online. This may reduce the security of your funds, so it is recommended to transfer them to a more secure wallet or storage solution as soon as possible. Best practices for importing an XRP paper wallet include using a secure computer and internet connection, keeping your secret key safe, and transferring your funds to a secure wallet as soon as possible. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely import your XRP paper wallet and manage your funds.